Hello po, good morning. Nandito po ako sa storage room namin. Ang dami pong kalat kaya gusto ko pong ayusin dahil wala pa akong trabaho po ngayon. Ang dami pong mga damit na hindi po nagagamit. Kaya ito lahat na lang pag dito tinatambag ito sa storage room. Kaya ang ginagawa ko po pag busy ako, hinahang ko na lang pag hindi ko gusto, pag hindi wala akong time na magtiklop, ihahang ko na lang po dito pag walang trabaho, saka ko lang pong titiklopin. Kaya ngayon wala po akong trabaho, magtitiklop po ako ng mga damit. Dito po sa Amerika marami pong mga abubot. Napakarami pong mga abubot po dito sa Amerika. Kaya itong isang kwarto namin, may one room here in my house. I make it a storage. Storage everything if you don't want put here in the storage room. Oh my God, is a lot. Yung mga damit po na hindi nagagamit, saka yung mga nagagamit, naku po lahat na lang po. Kaya ngayon, magtitiklop po ako. Gusto ko pong ayusin itong storage room. I want to fix it this storage room because a lot of mess. Dati ito po ay kwarto po ng aking anak. Before this is my room son, but my son is not live here now. He's live to other place. Oh my God, a lot of also stuffed toys, books right here. So I want to fix it. Oh my God. Kaya po, kaya ang gawin ko na lang po ay po, Diyos ko po. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang aking gagawin. Dito po sa maraming kalat. Ay. Marami pong kalat talaga. Yung anak ko pag hindi na nila gusto, tinatambak na lang po dito sa bahay. Ang ginagawa ko naman, lahat na lang dito ko dinadala dito sa storage room. Napakarami pong kalat. A lot of mess. What this one? What is this? Oh, I didn't know. Oh, this is a cotton tent. Ay, po, salat. This is my son toys. It's a lot of toys. It's too expensive. This one too. It's a Lego. It's expensive. So I want to put right here. A lot of stuffed toys also. This all the toys, all of toys of my son. Ay, apo Diyos ko! I don't know how to do it now. So I will move this first. So I want to put the stuffed toys right here. Oh my God, how they gonna do it this? There's a lot of stuffed toys here. Maybe I put this one all stuffed toys I put in the eBay, I sell it to yard sale. Oh my God. Where I put this one now? Or maybe I put here. This is all. Napakarami po. Napakarami pong mga abubot. Ito po ay mga ligo-ligo. All of this is Lego. This is my sewing machine, this one. Before I will sewing the clothes, but now I don't having a time. I will put this one the first one. This is all the Lego. Maybe I did not finish all this one day. I finished 3 days. And also a lot of games. The computer games is a lot here. My son, if you don't want it, just only throw it right here. If he don't want the game, throw it right here in the storage. I do it. Oh, I better put the tip. I will take this one so they cannot fall down. Anak po, Diyos ko, kasanak. Okay, bye. I will clean this all things.